In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Mail to Shopify for the year 2025. This integration is crucial for seamlessly managing your business communications and customer interactions through your Shopify store. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that the process is as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. If you're ready, let's dive in. First, we begin by going to Zoho Mail. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Log into your Zoho account if you haven't already. Zoho Mail is a great service for businesses, providing an organized and professional email experience. So having it connected to your Shopify store really enhances your email automation and communication capabilities. Next, let's head over to Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, you'll want to click on the Settings option, which you can find towards the bottom of the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find all the back-end configurations for your Shopify store. Within the Settings menu, click on Notifications. This tab is crucial because it's where you'll set up your email notifications, making sure that all communications with customers come from your Zoho Mail account. Now, here's what you do next. In the Notifications section, look for the option to enter your email address. You want to enter your Zoho Mail address in this field. Once you have done that, it's time to confirm that the email address you've entered is correct, just to avoid any errors later on. After ensuring that your Zoho Mail address is correctly entered, open a new tab and return to Zoho Mail. This time, navigate to My Profile to access your account details. Here, you will need to copy your Zoho Mail address. Clicking on your profile icon should provide you with details about your account, including your email address. Once you've copied your Zoho Mail address, jump back to the Shopify settings page we were on earlier. In Notifications, paste your Zoho Mail address where prompted. Verify that it has been entered correctly, and then click on Save. This action updates your Shopify settings so that all emails related to your store will be sent from your Zoho account. We're almost done. Now, return to Zoho Mail and head to your inbox. Here, you should find a verification email from Shopify. Open this email and look for the button or link that says Verify Your Email Address. Click on it to finalize the process. Afterward, there will be one more button labeled Verify Email, which you also need to click. This last step confirms the email integration, ensuring that your Zoho Mail is properly connected to your Shopify notifications. And there you have it, a fully integrated Zoho Mail and Shopify setup. Maintaining consistent and professional communication with your customers is now easier than ever. Thanks for watching and happy selling!